Class 8, how are you? I hope you will be fine. I will tell you today about the chapter Fiber to Fabric. Fabric means clothes. So whatsoever clothes you are wearing, whether that is a coat or pant or shirt and undergarments or whatsoever, a handkerchief, they all are made up of fiber. And fiber means thread. Fiber means thread. And the thread are of two types: natural fiber or thread, and second is synthetic fiber or thread. In previous classes you might have read this, that the natural fibers are of two types: plant fiber and animal fiber. The example of plant fiber is cotton and jute. Other examples like sun hemp also. So then animal fibers are wool and silk, that you have read in second class. Now in this class you will study about synthetic fiber. So before telling you the synthetic fiber, I will tell you how the cloth is prepared. First thing is the fiber or thread is procured. This thread is converted into yarn through spinning. That is spinning the yarn, thread yarn is obtained. A yarn is interlocked threads. Thread is a single one and yarn is collection of threads or interlocked threads. Then this yarn is of many types, that may depends on the length of yarn. It may be all simple yarn, fly yarn and filamentous yarn. There are three types of yarn, and these yarns are knitted or woven to make the fabric. Fabric means a cut piece of cloth, and the fabric, in fabric there is, you can see different types of patterns, that is pattern and design, that is the texture, banawat, texture of the thread, woven thread. So there are different types of fabric. Every piece of cloth have different type of design, color and texture of thread, that is called the fabric. And with the help of, by joining the different fabric, a cloth is prepared. So these clothes, if made by the natural fiber, then they are called cotton cloth or jute bag or jute mattress or woolen sweater or silk sari, if they are natural. But contrary to that is synthetic fiber. Natural fibers are obtained from nature, and synthetic fiber are man-made fiber. They are made in the factory with the help of certain chemicals, and those chemicals are known as polymer. So synthetic fibers are made up of polymers of organic chemicals. These are polymers. Poly means many, mers means repeating unit. The repeating unit of single chemicals make the polymers, and these can be assigned in two categories. First category is the polymer whose molecular arrangement is linear, one by one, in line. The molecules of the polymer are arranged in line. It is, if the molecules are arranged like this in line, then it is a polymer, linear polymer. The example of linear polymer is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. It is a synthetic fiber. Then another is a branch polymer. The example of branch polymer is LDP, low density polythene. If It is like molecules are arranged in different branches. So such kind of branch are known as branched polymers. The LDP, this is LDP is a polythene. Usually it is used in making the water tanks in the fields, in crop field. A trench is dug, and inside the trench this polythene is kept, and on that polythene the rainwater is deposited and a poly tank is formed. It is used for water harvesting on crop fields. The types of synthetic fiber. So there are different brands of synthetic fiber. First one is rayon. Rayon is also nicknamed as artificial silk because its property resembles with the silk. Silk is a natural fiber, and this is also obtained from natural material. That is, this fiber is obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. So wood pulp is not a chemical, it is a natural stuff. But since it is made by the man, that's why it is kept under synthetic fiber. It can be knitted like silk, it can be woven like silk. So uses of rayon is, if rayon is mixed with cotton, it is used to make the bed sheets. Then if rayon is mixed with wool fiber, then very good carpets are formed. Good looking and cheaper carpets can be obtained. Then another brand or type of synthetic fiber is nylon. Nylon is prepared from coal plus water plus air, and this is the first real synthetic man-made fiber. Its characteristic is it is very strong fiber, and the uses of nylon, it has become very popular due to its strong fiber, and it is used in everyday life. Articles like socks, ropes, tents, toothbrush, car seat belt, curtain, even for making the parachute, cloth. So it is most widely used synthetic fiber. Then another fiber is polyester. Ester is a functional group in organic chemistry, and poly means many. So polyester is made from the repeating units of ester group. Ester is a group, like there are different groups, alcohol group, aldehyde group. Similarly, there is one group, ester. So this is actually the ester compound, and the example of this category of cloth is terylene. You might have seen people wearing terylene shirt, and PET. Earlier I had told you about the PET also. It remains, the main characteristic of polyester is it remains crisp, intact. The crease of this remain intact, and it is easy to wash. You need not to make much toil. Just dip in surf, that is washing powder, and after few minutes it will be just very clean. So it is very much washable. The advantage of synthetic fiber. Disadvantage I am telling first, that the most disadvantage of this is that it is inflammable. It catches fire. So you should not wear synthetic fiber or sari during cooking in kitchen and also in the lab. It can catch fire. It can be disastrous. If the fire is caught, it clings to your skin and it burns the skin, even it can burn the whole person. So that way it is accidental. So this is one of the most disadvantage. Second thing, they create much warm and sweating, and sometimes they cause allergies also. So these are the disadvantages of these synthetic or man-made clothes, fiber or fabric. Then advantage, they dry up quickly comparatively with comparison to natural clothes. The synthetic man-made clothes they dry up very quickly and they are much durable. Their life is long and they are cheap, easily available in market, and they are very good, very much washable, easy to wash. Now the difference or fact between natural and artificial man-made fiber is that synthetic clothes absorb less water in comparison to natural fiber like cotton. So this was about this, and another polymer is the plastic. So plastic I will tell you in the next video. Thank you.